napalm on your napalm on your Nike thigh. Seashell on the heater blast, now I stay alive. Bad timing with the pride. Too fly by the Commodore.
Good outside of the salt.
But we like our food there, so that's all that matters.
I'm not going to bother you. I'm just passing by. Hey guys, how you doing? So we are officially at the spot. I'm going to turn the camera around so that you guys can see. There we go, guys. We made it. We made it to Buc-ee's. Yes. All right, let's get inside. Honey and 4 cheese. Honey, 4 cheese. I don't understand the oh, grandma's buttermilk biscuits. Oh, I guess you put it on that.
What do you think about this?
It's nice.
I mean, like,
She makes this stuff, so I would get something that she doesn't make.
I mean, you definitely, like, what do you think?
Sweet shampoo and conditioner. Why? But why is it in like a?
I know, that's why I was asking. How much is that?
$27.99. I mean, these little ones probably would be better.
How much? $8.99?
$11.99. That $27.11. Okay. Yeah.
I don't know.
I don't like it. I'm gonna go look at the jerky. Jalapeno honey. Oh, the jerkies. all different type of jerkies. But I picked up the one in the bag. Fried apple pie. Fried apple pie.
This is enough for me because I got you, but I'm saying I'm coming back to.
I don't want the bread.
You don't like what?
I don't want the bread.
Oh. What do you think?
It's okay.
I know we hyped it up more than
We had better biscuit than this.
okay, I know we hyped it up more, you know.
Okay.
We hyped it up.
We've had better brisket.
Huh?
We've had better brisket. What do you think?
The mystique is gone.
Yeah, the mystique. You said mystique.
I mean,
Tomato.
I think that's an XXL. I think a regular one would be fine. Let's see how the rest of their stuff is. But it's off the bucket list.
Why you're not returning my calls? Jay and I are separated. We were gonna start mediation.
Salty. Hey guys, so I wanted to give my viewpoint of Buc-ee's, and this is my honest takeaway from it. As most people see on YouTube, the food is good enough for a gas station, and that is honestly how I feel about it. Me and Babe wound up spending about $300 in Buc-ee's, and we bought everything from sandwiches to popcorn to shot glasses. Even bought a little item for my keychain. And what they don't really tell you is that you would think that it's like on the inexpensive side, and that's not necessarily what you're gonna get when you do go to Buc-ee's. However, you know, it was a nice experience. Would I go again? Probably not. Babe said that he wants to try out a different location to see if that one is better than the one we went to. I'm just like, if we drive past, maybe I'll stop by and maybe I won't, you know. The mystique is over. So I'm glad that we did go, but I probably won't go again. Alright guys, that's my viewpoint on Buc-ee's. Just wanted to let you know. So that ends the video here. I hope you have enjoyed this short video of my vacation in Sumter, South Carolina. It was definitely a beautiful experience, and I can't wait to go visit again. I'm looking forward to going there in the next couple of months. And yeah, I love it in South Carolina. So guys, make sure that you stay blessed out there and that you treat each other kindly in those streets. God willing, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.